And we've made it to New Harmony. New Harmony has a collection of 12 buildings that were built from the early 19th century and 20 buildings that were built in the mid-19th century. New Harmony is about a 35-minute drive west of Evansville and a 2-hour drive east of St. Louis. If you live in Indiana, people will tell you that New Harmony is a place that you need to visit. I mean, there isn't too many scenic places in Indiana, so anytime that there is one like New Harmony, Nashville, or Madison, it's going to get shoved down your throat because they like to have something to brag about at least. Well, anyway, the only problem is that New Harmony is located far away from everything else in Indiana, unless you live in Evansville. New Harmony is located in the extreme southwestern part of the state along Indiana's beloved Wabash River. What makes New Harmony a tourist town is that there's interesting history here, and the locals have kept up with the original buildings really well throughout nearly the entire town. Well, let's get to it, shall we? I start the video in the far northern part of Posey County. Posey County is just west of Vanderbilt County where Evansville is. If you haven't seen my Evansville videos, you should check those out. Oh yeah, and just on the other side of the Wabash River to the west is rural Illinois, where there's absolutely nothing to do or see for miles and miles. If you're unfamiliar with my videos, I do speed up my videos in order to show more in a less amount of time. You can always keep up with the real time that it takes me to drive in the lower left corner of the screen. If I go too fast for you, or if you think that I'm going too slow, you can always adjust the playback speed by selecting the gear icon if you're watching on PC, or by selecting the 3-dotted menu if you're watching on a mobile device. Isn't YouTube great? Really quick, as if you enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, as doing all of those things helps these videos out with the YouTube algorithm. Also make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video of an area near you. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy checking out some of the featured playlists on my channel. Videos of other places similar to New Harmony can be found on my Indiana playlist, my small town playlist, and on my tourist town playlist. Once again, New Harmony is a town that most Hoosiers have heard about, but they don't ever make it out this way since it's so far away from everywhere else in the state, and well, Illinois doesn't promote New Harmony, and it's far away from everywhere in Illinois as well. It's also a little bit of a drive from I-64. It's not too long, but some people would see an 8-minute drive away from the interstate as being an inconvenience just to stop somewhere and check it out along the way between St. Louis and Louisville. New Harmony was founded by a religious group called the Harmony Society in 1814. The group headed west after leaving a place called Harmony, Pennsylvania. There was also a heavy influence of people with German ancestry that settled into the town. Today, the log cabins and original buildings have been kept up with so well that some people come here to get a glimpse of what a small town looked like way back in the early days. And we've made it to New Harmony. New Harmony has a collection of 12 buildings that were built from the early 19th century and 20 buildings that were built in the mid-19th century. It also has a museum, opera house, art gallery, and a library. You won't see too many tourists in this video because when I visited, it was in the beginning stages of the pandemic during the statewide government shutdowns. New Harmony also has 2 labyrinths, which is a path that is designed to make you soak in nature's surroundings and encourage meditation or reflective thinking, if that's your thing. There's also a nice collection of bed and breakfasts here if you want to spend a weekend exploring the town's tourist-like amenities. Other artsy or outdoor hipster-like things to check out here include an art clay studio, a sacred garden, a free drawing group. You can visit the Gallery of Contemporary Art or the Poetry Path through the woods. If I didn't mention your favorite thing about New Harmony, go ahead and feel free to mention it in the comment section below, but do so in a nice and friendly manner instead of being all angry about it because I just mentioned like 12 things to do. Most of the people that participate in the comment section are great, but you'd also be surprised at the amount of people that get mad at you for not mentioning their favorite baseball player from the 1800s. On the right is the Thrall's Opera House. This is the New Harmony Historic District, and ahead on the right you'll be able to see the Ribeye Center, which is where the town holds its many events like wedding receptions and banquets. On the left past the Ribeye Center you'll be able to catch a small glimpse of the New Harmony Theater. Towards the left is the bridge that heads across the Wabash River and into Illinois. Straight ahead is the New Harmony Athenaeum. As we continue to head along, New Harmony's lure is about holistic learning through outdoor spaces. The culture of New Harmony historically has been about religion, with the Harmony Society settling in town, but it's also been about the science of nature. If you do visit New Harmony, on the left is where all of the tourist information is located. Well, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, as doing all of those things helps these videos out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video of an area near you. And if you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy checking out some of the playlists that are featured on my channel. You might enjoy checking out my Indiana playlist, my small town playlist, or my tourist town playlist. And if you can't get enough of me on here, you can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Those links are attached to my channel homepage. We'll see you next time. Peace!